नमस्कार। May God bless to all of us to overcome from the prevailing problem related to COVID-19 and another international threats created out of China and Pakistan on our border. We spoke about how home organization is created in the organization. In fact, people or employee are having some kind of perception in their mind that when I go, I should be received by this way, I should be respected by this way, I should be recognized by this way, and so many questions full with the if and buts. Ignoring this point that organization himself is a agent to its own board of director. Somehow, to make you to understand, and what I mean to say, that organization runs with certain predefined factors and formulas. Organization is not born the way you entered into the organization. Rather, organization is already born, shaped up, facing challenges, and out of that total experience, organization has set certain systems, rules, regulation, procedures, and what is left to you is to accept those things and start your performance. But due to lack of proper experience, knowledge, domain expertise, you come out with your so many suggestions, and in general it is called Rai Chand. You have become Rai Chand. Rai Chand का मतलब क्या हुआ? Man of giving suggestions. Either it has been invited or it has not been invited. Means either it has been asked or it has not been asked. लेकिन you will reach there to say that ये चीज़ ऐसे नहीं ऐसे हो जाए तो कैसे होगा. This is very big shortcoming of any newcomers in the industry. Instead of thinking that way, start thinking that organization was existing before I enter into and will continue decades and decades. Instead of dictating the term to the organization, first a very small example has been given that beginner's role should be like as if you are entering into bus is a organization. Bus means bus, ट्रांसपोर्ट वाली बस, गवर्नमेंट की बस. अगर आप बस को सिलेक्ट कर लिए, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को सिलेक्ट कर लिए, तो आप बस आ रही है तब से चिल्लाना मत शुरू करिए, और बस खड़ी हो जाए तब से चिल्लाना मत शुरू करिए कि ड्राइवर साहब आप गाड़ी को ऐसे चलाइए, इधर ब्रेक मारिए, उधर ब्रेक मारिए, ऐसा करिए, वैसा करिए, अदरवाइज यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट वेयर यू विल स्टैंड और वेयर यू विल फाइंड योर सेल्फ. So very first thing, that select the organization, select the bus. When bus comes and stops at your place, then you board मतलब take the entry in the organization, board into the bus, take left or right, whatever seats are available or whatever direction is suitable to you. In the organization you enter into and take left or right, means you deal with the employee in the department and in the organization the way it is going on. Like a bus, after you enter into, no one is there at the stop, bus automatically starts and takes you to the next stop and so on. So you also board into the bus, and when you experience in the bus that what are the comfortable and what are the discomfortables, then you similarly in organization, what are the good things, what are the bad things, what my mind is accepting, what my mind is not accepting, then you slowly and steadily meet to a person called conductor. Conductor means your HOD who is running the organization. Your HOD. Don't go to other HODs, otherwise it will become the talk of the town. It will become the part of the loose talk. It will initiate the politics, and you will be unnecessarily in trouble. So what do? You talk to your boss, talk to conductor and say that these are these, but before to that at least you give month to month your work experience, and after that you put your suggestion कि बॉस सजेशन रखने का एक तरीका होता है. मेरे कहने का मतलब डोंट डिक्टेट, come out with your thoughts and opinion with a request that sir, this is going on really very lovely, but if it can be like this or like that, then how it will be? Hopefully your suggestions will be accepted and thoughts on that will be given. If it is good in health of the organization, means in the bus, then it will be accepted and it will be done. So, but instead of that, if you start crying, shouting at the entry level in organization or in bus, रोको 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 रोको, ऐसा मत चलाओ, ऐसा मत चलाओ, ऐसा ब्रेक मत मारो, ऐसा मत करो, ये मत करो, वो मत करो, ऐसा करो, means you become the man of the only dictatorship, or you become the man of the different perception. No one will accept you, and you become thus a odd person and difficult personality in the organization. As you become the odd person in the bus conductor will give a one ring, bus will stop, you will thrown out of the bus. Similarly, in organization, if you don't understand anything and you have not given the proper time, but you are putting your suggestion, means जैसा मैंने हिंदी में बोला कि you become the total राय चंद, कोई सुने या ना सुने मैं राय अपने देता रहूँगा, सजेशन अपना ठोकता रहूँगा, then you cannot be accepted in the organization, and thus you cannot become the team member, and your relation with the employee will be very, very tussleful. People will not listen you, people will not give chance to make you the team member, and you will be aloof, and you will get frustrated. One fine morning you will come with the resignation, you will put up the resignation and walk out from there. So it is very important that you make a common behavior, common competency, bring and work with your peers, subordinates, colleagues, seniors, such a way that they accept you and you become the helping hand to them. Instead of raising so many questions and expecting so many answer this, answer that, and describing to the people, you become the normal man. You become, one word is there, you become the man of zero mind. You become the man of zero mind. Don't come with some predefined perception in the organization and dictate to people. No, you become the common, do the work, become the friend, understand process, under which circumstances they are doing, they are not doing, and that's way you will be accepted in the organization. Thank you very much. This is enough in this video. Thank you. यहाँ तक हुआ कि नहीं रिकॉर्ड?